Let us start. Let us see which books are in this packet. There are two books in this packet, and first one is 1965 Stories from the Second Indo-Pak War by Rachna Bist Rawat, and the second book is Lincoln in the Bardo by George Saunders. Let us unpack this packet by Amazon. It has also two books, and along with books it has also two bookmarks. Thanks Amazon for bookmarks. And first book is The Adivasi Will Not Dance by Hansadas Sovendra Shekhar. And the second book of the packet is Thirukural. Thirukural was written by famous Tamil saint Thiruvalluvar, and it is a translated copy. Another packet from Flipkart also. So it has also more than one book. Let us unwrap it. And as you can see, first book is Vulgarization by John Green and David Levithan. And the second book is All the Bright Places by Jennifer Newman. Now it is a Netflix show. Another packet from Flipkart also. And I think it has only one book. Let us see which one is this. So it is Midnight's Furies by Nishid Hazari. This book is about India-Pakistan partition. Another book from Flipkart, and I have already unboxed it, so let us unwrap it. This is Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the Universe by Benjamin Elaire Senge. This is from Amazon. So this is by Ruskin Bond, and book is How to Be a Writer. It is a hardcover book, and as I have seen in Flipkart, Amazon, it has illustrations also. Another book by Amazon. So it has one book, and it is red, white and royal blue. It is a novel. Our next packet from Flipkart, and I think it has more than one book. Let us unwrap it and see how many books it has. It has total 3 books, and first one is The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. It is a thin book. Another book by popular author Taslima Nasreen, Lajja. I recommend every woman to read it. Another novel by Jhumpa Lahiri, The Lowland. I wanted to read it from a long time, and during this sale season I bought it. Another book by Flipkart, and it is Another Man's Wife. It is by Indian author. Let us unbox another book by Flipkart. Its cover looks very nice, and it is Two Boys Kissing by David Levithan. Next packet from Flipkart, and it has total 1 book, and it is If's Endless Search for Satisfaction by Roshan Ali. It is a hardcover book. Another packet from Amazon. I have already opened it, and first book is A New Idea of India. It is a hardcover book. A book by Vikram Seth, A Suitable Boy. It is a very bulky book, so I think it will take more than